Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Sunday debate. Today's debate is about ending all lobbies. And that's why our hashtag is very appropriately destroy all lobbies. Ladies and gentlemen, let me explain. Hashtag destroy all lobbies. We have seen in the last 1 week, 10 days or so, we've seen pictures and evidence that raise big questions on the Pakistani links of Bollywood. We have also seen another lobby in Bollywood that refuses to come out and clarify if they have a personal, professional, or any other relationship with those who are stooges of enemy nations and are working closely with the ISI. We have also seen the Bollywood lobby come together in a collective outcry of silence when questioned about whether it is their efforts, their conspiracy that led to the unfortunate demise of Sushant Singh Rajput. And therefore, yes, we are talking about lobbies today. But these connections span far more than just a lobby in Bollywood. Lobbies are everywhere. Lobbies are not restricted to any one industry. There is a nexus everywhere. There are lobbies in every sector. And every time I have seen that these lobbies succumb to Pakistani pressure, they cut deals with Pakistani stooges or deal with those with dubious mafia dealings. For years, we have looked the other way. We've looked the other way at lobbies in the media. We've looked the other way at lobbies in the news industry. We've looked the other way at lobbies in the Supreme Court. We've looked the other way in lobbies among NGOs. We've looked the other way in lobbies in politics. We've looked the other way at lobbies in education. We've looked the other way at lobbies in Bollywood. We've just looked the other way and we've said, let it be. These are open secrets that we need to live with. But I do not believe that today's India wants to live with this. Today's India wants to destroy these lobbies. Today's India has changed. This is the India of 2020. This is an India which has a vision which is fiercely pro-nation. This is an India that stands with our forces and stands against terror. This is not an India that will say Aman ki Asha or strike deals with dubious foreign countries. This is an India that will ensure a cleanup of every single shadowy lobby in every industry. So on this Sunday debate, I'm putting the question to you. Do you believe the time has come, we have the effort, the opportunity, and do you believe the moment is opportune to clean up these lobbies? If you look at the trends over the last 1 week, you will realize that there's something happening. Lobbies are being questioned in Bollywood. Lobbies with links to Pakistan are being questioned. Lobbies are being questioned in the Supreme Court. You saw Prashant Bhushan get a contempt notice. He should have got that a long time back. You've seen lobbies in the news industry, in media change. You've seen that with digitization, all monopolies are changing. And therefore, whether it is Bollywood, sports, ladies and gentlemen, media, business, NGOs, the question is plain and simple. Can we hashtag destroy all lobbies? Is it time to clean up all lobbies in every section, every sector of our industry?